What we're looking at is the Acura NSX Type S, folks. Now, this is going to be going up against the C8 Z06 Corvette. Now, the Honda Performance Manufacturing Center in Marysville, Ohio, must have felt like the opening game of the Superbowl kickoff, which is not happening yet. Who's your favorite team? I can either bet on the Green Bay or the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Could be the Rams. We will see this weekend what happens and how it lines up. But yes, today, it was the day Honda announced that the limited edition Acura NSX Type S had officially begun production. 600 horsepower, 492 pound-feet of torque, the V6 hybrid powertrain. This is more than enough to be excited about. Now, earlier, we said that it can compete with the C8 Z06. Not so much, because this is a V6 hybrid powertrain. Totally different. A totally different beast, folks. I mean, just look at it. It's just epic. And Honda has always been, this is the particular sports car, the Acura NSX, is what changed the exotic world by far. It's the changer. It made them move the exotics to be quality driven. Performance and quality driven. Honda was the game changer to the exotic world. And now, only 350 units of the special NSX is going to grace the production line floor at Marysville. Now, each one stands a very good chance to appreciate in value. Yes. If you got one of these babies, you did a good thing, folks. Definitely going to appreciate, especially with the number of 350, folks. This is some awesome news. Very, very awesome news. The Honda faithful get this. All of about a few hours to reserve every last vehicle. Now, Honda has to make sure that these orders get fulfilled. Now, today is an exciting day for PMC and Acura as they begin shipping the highly desired NSX Type S supercar. And that's the PMC division lead, Gail May. This is what he says. Every associate here is committed to ensuring that each Type S we build, from vehicle VIN number 001 all the way up to vehicle VIN number 350, will be as perfect as the first second generation NSX, which was built back in 2016. Folks, this is some awesome news. This is just awesome, folks. Now, some people may be biased because they love Acuras. I, for one, love precision engineering. And Acura is just doing it, folks. This is some phenomenal news, folks. Performance Manufacturing Center, known as PMC in Marysville, Ohio, is the exclusive global production home of the Acura NSX Type S. Now, in celebration of the final year of the Acura NSX production, PMC is going to build the 350 NSX Type S models. The NSX Type S features Acura's most powerful production drivetrain ever, a twin turbocharged V6 and 3-motor hybrid system that produces 600 horsepower. The Performance Manufacturing Center, known as PMC, has begun production of the limited edition Acura NSX Type S. The NSX Type S made its global debut during the 2021 Monterey Car Week. Monterey Car Week. Now, immediately established itself as Acura Performance Halo, and taking the brand's commitment to precision crafted performance to a whole new level. With a total production of 350 units, yes, which I've said many times, every NSX Type S was quickly reserved when pre-ordered opened last August. Now, PMC will finish production of the limited run supercar this year. Today, yes, January 20th, 2022, was an exciting day for PMC and Acura as they began shipping their highly desired NSX Type S supercar. And this is what Gail May has said, and I repeated it before, but now I say it again. This is just fantastic, folks. This is fantastic news. This is A Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Hey, this is A Automotive Reviews. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. And have a fantastic day. Thanks for coming to the channel. And thanks for supporting this small channel. Much love. A Automotive Reviews.